Hello my beautiful friends, and welcome back to another unboxing video. So today we're showing you guys this patio misting system. So this is an outdoor misting system, good for your garden, your greenhouse, and whatever do-it-yourself project you can come up with. So they provide you with multiple different nozzle ends. Let's go ahead and show you the different ends here. So each different end, different spray setting, because you can make it open or you can actually close it. So that's actually good. So you can actually adjust your mist spray settings with this. You have your main nozzle for your garden hose line in here as well. So looks like they provide everything you need. They even provide you washers, sealing tape, and zip ties, and an instruction manual inside there. They provide you with, wow, you get plenty of hosing. So let's go ahead and open this up and see how long the hoses are, because you're going to be connecting them to one another, unless it's one piece and then you just simply cut to fit however you need, which is actually probably going to be better if it's all, yeah, so it's all one piece. And by the way, this is a 2 kit pack. I mean, look at all this. You get all this hose, and yeah, you just simply piece them together. So for example, and okay, oh, they make that simple. Oh wow, they make that really simple. They give you elbows as well. So without, you know, we need to set this up, but basically what you do is you take your hose, you push it in the line, and then you apply pressure. And what that does is it clamps the hose down in. Pull that out there. And now the hose is inside here. So that would be for an end hose. And then what you do is, depending on how you're running it, you know, you got different connection ends. You would then run it and cut your piece out. So I'm trying to decide how I want to do this here as a good example, because you're going to want to be out in your garden or patio, greenhouse, and cut it there. So you'd cut your line, and then you would put in between your line another one of the connectors. So for example, like this like a T connector, you would then connect the one end inside there, and then you can now connect the other end in there, and you can, you know, run it, you know, however you need. So we're going to go ahead and install this. As you guys see, pretty awesome. You got plenty of length, and with the 2-pack you can mix and match it all together, guys.